Tastytrade Honest App. The pros, the cons. For active traders and investors, the Tastytrade app promises a powerful platform for trading stocks, options and futures, but how well does it perform? One of the biggest pros is educational integration. Most people get this wrong by assuming trading apps only offer execution tools. Tastytrade combines real-time trading with tutorials, live shows and strategy insights, making it a great resource for both beginners and experienced traders. You can watch videos and apply concepts directly within the app. Trading tools are another advantage. The app offers real-time market data, easy-to-use order placement, and options trading with detailed analytics. Alerts for price changes, earnings, and market events keep users informed and ready to act. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional glitches when placing complex trades or viewing detailed charts. Advanced customization options are limited compared to desktop platforms, and customer support can be slow during high traffic periods. Beginners might also feel slightly overwhelmed by the volume of data and tools available. In conclusion, the Tastytrade app is ideal for traders who value education, real-time data, and integrated trading. The surprising truth is that while it combines learning and execution effectively, power users might still prefer desktop platforms for more advanced customization. For anyone looking to improve trading skills while managing investments on the go, Tastytrade offers a comprehensive and engaging experience. Knowing its limitations ensures you can maximize its strengths without frustration.